How to sign up into BillEase account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily sign up into a new BillEase account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly either open the application of BillEase or simply go to Google application and in the search bar type BillEase and click on the first website, that is the official website of BillEase. Now, once you are in this website, click on the three lines at the top right corner and click on login. Enter your mobile number, email and password if you already have an account. If not, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, in the official page of BillEase, you will see different offers which you can purchase, and while purchasing you need to click on apply now. After that you need to provide your details and then payment details to proceed. So that's it. That is how easily you can sign up into a new BillEase account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.